Are you ready to witness one of the tallest towers in Mulund and one of the iconic developments across the eastern suburbs? Establishing their trademark since 1978, we are here to witness and experience the finest lifestyle addresses in Mulund, presenting to you Runwal Pinnacle by Runwal Enterprises, located in the heart of Mulund and Bank on the GMLR highway. Globally recognized and successfully delivered projects like Runwal City Centre and Runwal Forest in Kanjurmarg, and with a track record of around 45 years, you do not even have to worry about the leisures, as our City Mall and our Galleria are at a near vicinity and developed by Runwal Enterprises. So this was about the great and inspiring legacy of Runwal, and are you ready to touch the sky as we are on the run? So let's go. I'll give you a project overview and connectivity. Runwal Enterprises never miss to have a fabulous location for their projects. As you can see right behind me is Runwal Greens, which is also a project of Runwal Enterprises, and so is our Galleria. From your retail to your everyday groceries, everything is covered right next to your project. Apart from that, as I have already mentioned, we are standing right here next to the GMLR highway, and this project is touched to the highway property, and Jain Mandir is right at the entrance of your project. Apart from that, Fortis Hospital is just 200 meters away from this project. So as you can see, these are the major USPs in terms of connectivity that you will be getting from your project. Apart from that, Nahur railway station can be connected in just 3 to 4 minutes of walking distance. Eastern Expressway can also be connected in just 5 minutes of the drive. Key hubs like BKC and upcoming metro station, apart from that, International Airport, these all can be connected in a near distance of around 25 to 30 minutes approximately. So talking about schools, colleges and hospitals now, all the renowned schools, colleges and hospitals like Fortis, as I've already spoken about, is just 200 meters. Hiranandani Hospital can also be attended in just 5 minutes to 10 minutes of distance. Schools like Sri Ravi Shankar International School and St. Mary's is at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes approximately. So this is all about the connectivity and the location that you will be getting from our project. Now let's talk about our iconic project. Let's go. Hafiz Contractor is one of the very well-known contractors who is the developer of this project. So talking about this project, this is a whole iconic tall tower of G+67 story building, and starting from our grand lobby on the ground floor with 9 ample parkings and 5 basement parkings beneath, we have 2 levels of clubhouse above it, that is our 27,000 square feet clubhouse with 3 levels of amenities area, and from our 13th floor starts our habitable floors till the 67th floor, and we also have rooftop level amenities. As you can see, this is our grand entrance and our model. Talking about the amenities, we have 3 level of amenities from ground, podium and rooftop level amenities, and you will get more than 50 plus amenities here. You get 3 swimming pools, that is half Olympic size swimming pool, kids pool, jacuzzi, you get yoga room, indoor games, kids play area, and you get rooftop level amenities like sky gym, barbecue area, sky gazing area, etc. So these are some of the amenities for your superior living. Pamper yourself with these amenities and this luxury living. So this was our project overview. Now I shall move you to the sample flat. Let's go. So let's move into our 1 BHK, which is very lavish, and carpet area 462 square feet. As you can see, starting from our dining area, जहाँ आपको individual dining space मिलता है for your dining set. Moving on, this is our living room, as you can see, and you can decorate it in the same way, so beautiful. And यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाती है आपकी French windows for ventilation. So this was our living area. Moving in, here is our utility area, as you can see, starting, and you can well utilize as it is given. आप यहाँ पर अपना washing machine settle कर सकते हैं. And right next we have our common washroom with premium fittings and vitrified tiling given to you in the same way, apart from the mirror. Moving on, this is our compact space and well utilized double platform kitchen, जहाँ आपको granite भी मिल जाती है and आपको French windows for ventilation मिलती है, with our refrigerator space given to you. So this was our utility area, as you can see, the compact space. And now moving on across to our master bedroom. Very spacious, and as you can see, you can settle your bed and wardrobe and Enough space is still pending. So इसके अलावा आपको मिलता है French windows for ventilation, very spacious with an attached washroom where you get again your vitrified tiling and branded fittings the same way. Apart from that, the floor to ceiling height here is 10.2 feet and you get anti-skid tilings throughout your apartment. So this was my 1 BHK sample flat, and the pricing for 1 BHK is starting from 1.39 CR all inclusive, 2 BHK is starting from 1.89 all inclusive, and 3 BHK starting from 2.39 CR all inclusive. So for booking purpose and site visit, contact us today on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.